So my name is Sarah Munyi, and I come from Kenya. I'm born again, Christ is Lord, and I am in business. I'm a businesswoman. I run a company called Blue Diamond Consultants, which is a capacity building company. We do trainings for organizations, for companies across East Africa in leadership, personal development, and change management, and also with mentorship. But right now, I'm right at the Fire Conference 2019, which is right here in Kigali at Lake Kachiru, and it has been an amazing time learning about insights in different things, because one thing that we are called to do from the Word of God is to dominate. We are called to have dominion. So as young people, because we are young people, we have gathered as young people across the continent in Africa. What are these areas that we need to dominate in? So we are looking at different things. We are looking at business, because business, and we are looking at business, starting businesses as a solution to problems that are affecting young people in Africa. And one of the problems that affects young people in Africa is unemployment. So we were told since we are very young that when you go to school, work very hard, and then you get a job. And we did that. We have the degrees, we have the diplomas. But then you find, even after doing everything we were told to do, we are very obedient. We got the jobs, then you find we got the degrees, then we don't have the jobs. So we are looking at business, innovative entrepreneurship, starting businesses as a solution to this problem of unemployment. So there is that part. And then we have now the family and relationships. How do you build relationships of value with friends, with family, and with people we are living with? It's very important to have people skills, very important. Then also about missions, because we are faith-based. And if there is one commandment that Jesus gave us, it said that go ye to the world and make disciples. So as young people, are we discipled to go out there, to go ye out there and disciple people and even win people for Christ? As we go to the marketplace, as we go in the areas of our professions, are we discipled to go and make disciples out there? So we are really building young people in a holistic way so that we can build our continent, we can build our countries when we first build ourselves. And this is personal development. So if we are going to develop countries and our continent, we need to build the most important resource that as African countries we have, that is the young people. 70% of the population in Africa is actually young people. So it's the biggest resource that we have to build. And this is what we are doing right here. And it has been an amazing, amazing experience. We build each other up. That's what the Word of God says. We build each other up so that we grow together. It is a joy of the Sarah Munyi from Kenya. Thank you very much.